Welcome back to Spy Garage.
Positioned as a showcase of amazing inventions that will change your life, the 2026 Mercedes Benz Motorhome is expected to revolutionize luxury mobile living by fusing sustainability, cutting-edge technology, and unmatched comfort. This hypothetical car reflects Mercedes-Benz's progressive commitment to automotive and lifestyle innovation by aiming to be a smart, independent, and dynamically intelligent environment on wheels, going beyond simple transportation. The 2026 Mercedes Benz Motorhome is anticipated to have an exterior design language that is both visually appealing and aerodynamically efficient. Its exterior would have streamlined lines, integrated lighting, and possibly adjustable aerodynamic components that maximize efficiency and stability at different speeds, all of which are modeled after Mercedes-Benz flagship models and concept cars. Fuel efficiency and overall performance would be improved by the use of strong, lightweight materials, perhaps including sophisticated composites. It would be immediately identifiable as a Mercedes-Benz due to its imposing yet attractive appearance, which exudes technological power and subtle luxury. The interior of the motorhome, where the amazing inventions would actually come to life, would be the real wonder. Imagine a home that skillfully combines luxurious comfort, clever design, and self-sufficient features. In some places, high-resolution, multipurpose display panels that provide augmented reality overlays of the surroundings, adjustable panoramic views, or seclusion on demand could take the role of conventional windows. Every element of the living space, including the kitchen appliances, entertainment systems, ambient lighting, and climate control, would be controlled by voice and gesture. An extremely sophisticated energy management system would probably be a significant, life-changing invention. This might include next-generation solid-state batteries that offer previously unheard-of energy storage and quick charging capabilities, along with much better integration of solar panels, possibly even transparent photovoltaic surfaces. Long stretches of off-grid living would be possible with such a setup, greatly lowering dependency on outside power sources. A nearly self-sufficient water supply might also be achieved by integrating advanced water recycling and purification systems. The kitchen would be converted into an intelligent culinary center, maybe with integrated vertical gardens for fresh vegetables, automated food preservation systems, and induction cooking surfaces that can be used as dining tables. With smart climatic zones that provide the best possible rest and mattresses that adapt to personal tastes, sleeping quarters would transform into tranquil havens. Additionally, the bathroom would undergo radical transformations, maybe incorporating cutting-edge hygiene technologies and water-saving fixtures. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome would have strong integration of digital intelligence and connectivity beyond the immediate living area. While a smart AI companion might handle daily routines, offer tailored recommendations, and proactively address maintenance needs, predictive navigation, real-time traffic analysis, and adaptive routing would optimize travel. By utilizing Mercedes-Benz groundbreaking autonomous driving technology, advanced driver assistance technologies would blur the boundaries between active driving and effortless transportation, making long-distance travel considerably safer and more comfortable. As a collection of amazing inventions, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome would essentially be a comprehensive rethinking of mobile living. It would genuinely represent the future of personal mobility and redefine what a house on wheels can be, turning travel into an experience of unmatched luxury, independence, and clever ease.